Hi guys, let's make some fruit tarts. I am using the DAP clear silicone, 100% silicone. Make sure it says it's paintable. Also, I have a kit of resin alcohol inks. So I just pulled out a couple of colors to make a cherry fruit tart. So I just put some of the silicone in a little plastic cup. I pulled out my reds. I went with like 6 drops of the red and half the amount of Sugar Light. So once I added the alcohol ink, I just used a little popsicle stick and gave it a stir. After stirring it up, I felt like it needed to be just a little bit deeper. So I looked for another red and I found what they called purplish red. And I added just a couple of drops of that just to give it a little more depth. And you just want to mix it up. There's no specific formula, guys. Just stir, play around, play with your colors until you're happy with what you see. I was pretty happy with this. I think it looks like a cherry filling, so I went with it. So once I got my silicone in there, I just sort of smoothed it out, played around. I didn't want to waste any products. Of course, I was scraping it back and forth with another popsicle stick. Call me crazy. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, guys? So just make sure that when you're adding more in there, you just want to smooth it out. Give it a swirl. Make it look like a nice cherry filling. So there you have it, guys. We have cherry, and earlier I did some lemon and the blueberry. I added some fake blueberries in there thinking that I was going to possibly see the blueberries through the silicone, but that didn't happen, so I wouldn't waste the blueberries on that again. I learned how to do this from Heavens to Betsy Cakery in her private group, the Cakery Content Club. Go check her out, guys. You have a favorite? I think mine's the lemon.